morning, everybody. We're here in the mountains of beautiful northern Pennsylvania, staying at my friend's house for the next week. We just drove in last night. Took about 4 hours to get here, and we made one stop. Hi, Mommy. Hi. The girls are inside right now watching Trolls. Emily's breakfast is being cooked, and I'm just looking around outside trying to find some animals. You don't know if I can? See if I can find some animals.
I'm right here.
You're an animal.
No, I'm an animal. Hazel's an animal.
You're right. You both are animals. What is that, a beaver? No. Prairie dog? I don't know what that was. Oftentimes there are animals around this tree out here. My friend likes to put food and crackers and just different things outside, and deer will come, squirrels, sometimes bears. Hopefully not today. Hi, baby. Here we have Poppy, watching Poppy. We'll do a side by side. Which one's the real Poppy? Check out the stuff that my friend got. Donut float for the pond. This looks so cool. The Mystic Unicorn Spray Pool, which will be perfect for the baby. In case it rains, we have some Oonies, balloons, grow capsules, cool little mask to paint, Play-Doh.
Things inside the water, they will turn into dinosaurs.
Oh, I can't wait. I'm so excited. Amber got my favorite candy. She knows me so well. These are so good. If you've never had them before,
Yeah.
these are the best. You liked them. Of course you did. They're the best candy ever. She got gummy worms. Fun dip. Takes me right back to my childhood. A couple of these. Nerds rope, goobers. So we just finished our grocery shopping, came home, ate a little bit of lunch, and now Amber's outside mowing the lawn. So we're gonna blow up the unicorn pool so that the kids can do some splashing outside. Yeah. So you guys can watch me attempt to blow this thing up. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Have a look at this unicorn. What's the unicorn's name?
Bella.
Bella the unicorn. Let's fill her up
With water.
with water. And pull up the lever. Pull it up.
How to help?
It's a lot of hose for it to go through. There it is. Go ahead. You gonna get in?
Yeah.
Is it warm or cold?
Cold. But it's kind of fun.
Cold, but it's fine. Here comes Hazel. I'll get used to the water.
Wash my hands.
Now, there's a way that I should be able to make the tail spray water out. I'm gonna turn it on.
Oh my god, I'm inside.
Were you expecting that? Hazel wasn't expecting it.
I turned it up.
Okay, that's good.
But I want a little upper
But she doesn't like it that high. It's getting on her face. Are you pranking Hazel?
Let's see if it happens.
Okay.
I turned it up.
Yeah. Did you prank her? Cool prank.
This is no bigger yet. I got away how it happened.
Let's go find the pond. Are we gonna see any fish in the pond?
Yeah.
What kind of fish?
Nemo.
Nemo?
Yeah.
Nemo lives in the ocean. It's just a pond. That is a swan, and it's not real. We'll have to feed them later.
Can they eat worms and bloody worms? Can
They probably could, but we have special fish food for the koi.
They love it. Oh, look at that fish. Is that a koi fish?
They're all koi fish. What are you doing?
They're not
Okay. You want to go see the bridge?
Yeah.
The little bridge.
Hi, Mama. Where's the water coming from the deep pond?
Because this is the way the water flows. It goes down, and then it goes under the street over there. Go get it. She's trying to get a butterfly. Oh well. That bucket for me?
It's making a lot of smoke.
That's the pine.
What's that kind wide? The right way?
No, take it in your other hand.
Can I shoot it now?
Okay, give it a try.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Amber, come in down.
I'm going to do all of it.
Don't do all at once.
I did it!
Yeah, excellent.
Oh!
She's using these things right now. Ooh, that was a big one. Oh, now you got the hang of it.
I saw the marshmallow.
Perfect.
But I want to do like 3.
Fine, here, take the one I'm holding. All right, that's plenty.
Oh, I got my marshmallow first. Put it down.
You want me to hold it now? It'll go out on its own. It won't hurt you.
For you.
All right. Almost done. There it is, all done. You were so brave. You wanna go swimming?
Oh, it's floating away.
Grab it, come in.
But I want you to try to grab it.
It's not going anywhere. Go ahead. You gotta step in, Em. That's why you're wearing water shoes.
Is there fishies in the way?
No.
Can you get in the water at me?
You gonna float away?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll get in a minute, okay? I gotta get Hazel too. The fishies coming to say hi.
Hi, fishy. I don't want to float away.
Okay, I'll get you. Woo! Thanks, Amber. Should we go all the way to the other side of the pond?
Yes. I'm going like the pink floating.
What? You can't,
Stay in there forever.
No, you can't stay in there forever, but you would have to paddle yourself. That's why we're in the boat, so that Mommy can paddle.
Oh, we're going to crash into something.
We're gonna crash into the swan. We're here to say hi to the swan. Hi, Mr. Swan.
Hi, Mr. Swan. Can I touch him?
Sure.
But he has a little web on him.
Oh, yeah. It's like the bugs like him. It's good for web building. Should we go see if we can find some turtles?
Yeah.
Okay, we gotta go all the way to the other side of the pond.
Can I touch the ocean?
It's not the ocean, it's a pond.
Can I touch the pond?
Not while we're on the boat. Hey, baby. Nice sunglasses. Beautiful. Perfect. Great job. Yeah. So everyone's outside right now, and Emily and Amber are in the boat in the pond while me and Hazel are just sitting up on the deck getting some sun. Let me give you a little shot of them paddling around in the pond. There they are, off in the distance, on the hunt for turtles. Go into the water.